Good morning, ABR MarketWatch viewers. We've got an action-packed market briefing for you today. Kickstarting the news, the S&P 500 soared to a fresh record high, driven by revised GDP data showing a swift 3.3% growth in Q2, a boost largely attributed to consumer spending and AI investment. However, the administration is weighing the possibility of expanding tariffs to redirect production within our borders, raising concerns about potential increases in household staple prices. Amidst these developments, Fed Governor Christopher Waller has voiced his support for a series of interest rate cuts starting September. But the landscape may not be so straightforward. Trump's push for lower rates could face resistance from bond investors. Another twist, Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook is suing to prevent her removal by Trump, potentially setting the stage for a legal battle over his authority regarding central bank members. In international news, trade tensions continue to escalate as the US contemplates expanding tariffs and the EU aims to eliminate duties on US industrial goods to counteract potential auto tariff impacts while shielding European automakers. The EU is also working to extend access for American farm products in these negotiations. Globally, economists predict a drop in oil prices for Q4, despite geopolitical risks. The Eurozone's economic outlook has worsened due to US tariffs and domestic pressures, with little hope of a significant rebound ahead. In an effort to encourage Iran back to the negotiating table, the UK, France, and Germany have moved to reinstate sanctions on Iran for its continued nuclear work. Staying closer to home, jobless claims are decreasing, hinting that recent increases might not indicate a long-term trend. As we look ahead, economists will closely watch tomorrow's inflation and spending data, as tariffs may complicate the Fed's next rate decision. The S&P 500 closed at an all-time high of 6,501.86 today, marking its 20th record close this year. While Nvidia saw a dip after posting impressive Q2 numbers due to investor underwhelmment, other tech leaders like Microsoft, Meta, and Amazon compensated for the decline. This reflects the ongoing strong demand for AI and tech infrastructure. It's important to note that value is heavily concentrated in just 7 companies, which together account for nearly twice the worth of the remaining 493 S&P 500 companies. A top-heavy market structure will continue to monitor. Keep it locked here on ABR MarketWatch for all your market updates.